Hello, everyone. Healthcare costs have skyrocketed these days, especially after COVID. Once you get hospitalized, you can be sure of a heavy hospital bill. It can upset your whole budget if any one of your family members or dependents get hospitalized. It is very important not only to have a health insurance policy, but to have a right policy. We have heard of many stories that despite having a health insurance policy, only a part of expenses got covered when the time came. By the end of this video, you will become an expert at buying right health insurance product. Let us start by understanding what health insurance is. Health insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay a regular premium, and in return, the insurance company covers a part or all of your medical expenses when you are sick or injured. Think of it as a safety net that provides financial support when you need medical care, so you do not have to worry about hefty medical bills. The first thing to check before buying health insurance is assessing your healthcare needs. Ask yourself, do you have any existing medical conditions that require regular treatment? It is important to disclose these to the insurance company so that your claim does not get rejected when need arises. How often do you visit the doctor for routine checkups? Are you planning to start a family soon? Your answers to these questions will help determine the type of health insurance plan that suits you best. The second thing to check is the coverage and deductibles of the health insurance policy. Coverage refers to what medical services and treatments the insurance company will pay for. Deductibles are the amount you must pay out of pocket before the insurance company starts covering your medical expenses. Let us look at an example to understand how this works. You have a health insurance policy with a $500 deductible and 80% coverage for medical expenses. You need to undergo a medical procedure that costs $2,000. In this case, you would first pay the $500 deductible out of your pocket. After that, the insurance company would cover 80% of the remaining cost, and you would be responsible for the remaining 20%. So, your out-of-pocket expense would be $500 deductible, plus 20% of $2,000 to $500 equals $500 plus 20% of $1,500 equals $500 plus $300 equals $800. The third thing to check is the network of hospitals and doctors associated with the health insurance plan. Insurance companies often have a network of medical providers with whom they have negotiated lower rates. Going to an in-network hospital or doctor can save you money on medical expenses. On the other hand, going to an out-of-network provider might result in higher out-of-pocket costs. So, before you choose a health insurance plan, make sure your preferred hospitals and doctors are in the network. The fourth thing to check is copayments and coinsurance. Copayments are fixed amounts you pay for certain medical services, like doctor visits or prescription drugs. Coinsurance is a percentage of the medical costs you pay after meeting your deductible. Let us illustrate this with an example. You have a health insurance plan with a $30 copayment for doctor visits and 20% coinsurance for hospital stays. You visit a doctor, and the total cost of the visit is $100. In this case, you would pay the $30 copayment, and the insurance company would cover the rest. $100 to $30 equals $70. Now, let us say you need to be hospitalized, and the total cost is $5,000. In this case, you would first pay the deductible, if any, and then you would pay 20% of the remaining cost, $5,000, deductible. The insurance company would cover the remaining 80%. The fifth and final thing to check is the policy exclusions. These are specific medical conditions or treatments that the insurance company may not cover. For example, some policies may exclude coverage for cosmetic procedures or certain pre-existing conditions. It is crucial to read and understand the policy exclusions to avoid surprises when you need medical care. Congratulations! You now know the 5 important things to check before buying a health insurance policy. Assess your healthcare needs, understand the coverage and deductibles, check the network of hospitals and doctors, be aware of copayments and coinsurance, and read the policy exclusions. Health insurance is like a guardian angel, protecting you and your family from the financial burden of medical expenses. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future finance videos. As always, Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.